What's up, my goals? I'm starting my intro off a little different to get our heads up before we get into this vendor POV tape 3. First off, shout out to all my goals. Shout out to everybody who's been showing me some love. Our subscribers been going up like crazy, so I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my go heart. So we had technical. So whole time my mic always been busted, so I gotta have the speakers on the camera always been busted. So you gotta have a mic or external mic hooked up to it so you can catch the volume. So I got a DJI, blah blah blah. You see, but I didn't have it hooked up all the way, so it didn't record no sound. The little sound though I did got, I barely scraped up whatever type of video. I tried to put a video together with the little bit of stuff I had because the sound was messed up or you couldn't hear it at all. So I just try to get the best clips I get to make a quick video for y'all because I still wanted to put out something out there for y'all. But that's enough talk. I just wanted to sum it up real quick. So I made the quickest, best video I could with what I had. But next time I'm going to do better. And yeah, that's that. So
What's up, my goes? NONSTOP. Welcome back to the pan. We back with another GOAT vendor POV, table 3. Y'all see me up in this game. We out here. Y'all already know what we about to do. So let's get into it, my goat. My goat say I know since it's a slow start. Quick intermission. Pack, let's get it. Can we get some? I'm hoping before this event really starts. I don't know what I got, so let's see. Do I have any? Oh, trash. Maybe next time I go, 'cause I ain't seen nothing. Maybe next time, bye. What about you? Hey, look, they call me go. Can I show my camera? Hey, we got the golden here picking up. Hard working Kangaskhan. Thank you. I appreciate y'all.
Thanks a
My
lot.
first Saturday day, so I really appreciate that.
Of course, we'll probably come back around too. I'm just trying to get through
Right
everything.
now, I feel you. Definitely be here.
Awesome, I appreciate it.
Appreciate you. Martha, Troy, they call me go. Picking up. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. Alex, they call me go. Can I show my camera? Yeah. The gold. Picking up some bangers. Appreciate you. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. Have a good show, man. Before y'all go, you want to come up party? I mean, no. The gold Mark just picked up some bangers. And I did it for the 35. I can remember that, yeah. I'll do a few more times. I'm pretty gonna have it down pat. And what about you again? Thank you. We got the goals. Turn and go said that. Shout out to them, man, because that's some real shit. They pick up 40-47. Let's go. That's true. All right, before we go, hey, the goals I'm picking up. And I'm still like a car. To the building. Another one. Hey, we got the ATV and some two singles with a hundo. Appreciate you, my dude. You enjoy the rest of your show, bro. Your name again? Santi. Santi? Santi, yeah. Santi. Just make sure I get it right. Santi to go. Picked up a bank for the 10. Let's go. Appreciate it, bro. Here you go, man. So, for real? I traded for it. Appreciate you. Yeah, this will be this. Ooh, thank you.
I spent the same car, whether it's a 10, raw, or black thing.
Amen.
I bought it today because I might trade for something.
Yeah, I got to go.
The magic car for whale or
Sorry. Nah, we got to go, Brandon. Thank you very much. Hey, we got to go, Crystal. Picking up for a dub. Let's go. Hey, 3, 5, 6, 7. Can I show my camera? If you want. Appreciate the pickup. Go, pick it up. For the 43. Let's go. The goals out. For the 15. Let's go. Caitlin, they call me and the GOAT just did a trade now for these straight trade. And you want a top loader for that? You want a top loader for that? We got the GOAT now picking up. Come on now, you can't go wrong with Steelix. They call me GOAT, catch her the camera. The GOAT is picking up for the 15. Appreciate you, bro. I can show my camera, that's fine. Hey, we got the GOAT picking up. Picking up Shiny Mew for a trade. I'm taking in all these hitters with $13 on top. Alright, my bros, I just did a trade for the the Umbreon, and I gave him, I think, 12. I can't really remember. I'll fix it later. So good pickup. Go ahead to picking up for the 20. That Viacom, baby Shiny. Dave, they call me GOAT. You got the goals. Come on now, you can't go wrong. Shout out to the goats. Appreciate y'all. Noel, they call me Troy. But they call me GOAT. The GOAT picking up. Let's go. Oh, we got the GOAT. Hey, we're doing a trade. So, I'm taking in these bad boys. Straight trade.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Thank you. We pick up for the 15. Let's go. You enjoy it. Hey, we got the goals picking up. We're doing a nice little trade. Taking all